In this video, I'll show you how to install MAMP to set up a localhost environment on your Mac. It's pretty much just like installing XAMPP on Windows. There are two ways to install MAMP. The first method, which is the one I highly recommend, is using Homebrew. If you haven't installed Homebrew yet, you can check out my tutorial video linked down in the description. For this method, just open up your terminal and type in the command brew install --cask mamp. Now, if you prefer the manual route, just head over to mamp.info. They offer both a paid and a free version. Scroll down, select Mac OS, and click the download button. Once it's downloaded, double-click the installer file and hit Open. Just leave the default settings as they are and keep hitting Continue or Install. If it asks for a password, just type in your Mac login password. Give it a moment and the installation will finish up. After that's done, you'll find a new MAMP folder inside your Applications folder. To launch it, just double-click the MAMP icon inside that folder. Inside the MAMP app window, you can configure your web server to use either Apache or Nginx and pick your preferred PHP version. Next, click the Start button to fire up services like MySQL. If there are no port conflicts, MAMP will start your localhost on port 8888, and you'll see this Start icon right here turn green. You can tweak more settings under Preferences, like setting the server to start automatically when you open MAMP, or changing the default ports. Heading back to the MAMP folder in Applications, you'll see a folder called htdocs. This is where you'll create folders for all your web projects. The conf folder holds your configuration files like rewrite rules. And inside the bin folder, you'll find tools like phpMyAdmin, while the PHP folder contains all your PHP versions. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.